Hello guys, in this video we are going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to enhance a client's hair for beginner barbers. Please subscribe to my channel. You will learn a lot to this video. Just subscribe guys and wait for the video.
Let's dive into the video. We're going to be enhancing the hair properly for those of us who don't have the real instrument for hair enhancement. Now we take our brush and we put it on a die and apply it at the front of the hairline. This little brush, you can get it from a new clipper. After you apply it, you use your brush to brush it so it can align with the front hair. As you can see, you don't just apply it and leave it like that. Now after we're done with the side, we go to the front hairline. Just watch the process on how I'm doing it. Let's go guys. After we are done with that, we head over to the other side. The same process, just like that. Applying small, then using our brush to brush it. After we are done with that, we move over to the upside, taking it gently on the hairline. We don't go too deep, we don't go too hard on the clients. Just tap, go, tap and go. Let's watch it guys. After we are done with that, we proceed on enhancing the hair. This is our hair fiber. Now I put the guard here, applying it gently, and when you're applying it, take fiber far away from the hair so that you won't apply much on the hair. This fiber can be getting at a barbershop store or anywhere they sell clipper materials. Go and get this right now. After that, we go to the other side, the same process. Take the fiber far away from the hair and gently press. Then after doing this enhancement method, you should be using your razor blade to shape up the hair very nicely to give it a finished look on the hair. Watch on how we do it right now. After we are done with the hair, we apply some spirits. Guys, check out how this hair turns out. Just subscribe to my channel.
Well, I hope you people learned something in this video. Stay tuned. We're going to be dropping. Type in the comment section what type of haircut you want me to do. Peace guys.